Ever feel like your PC is slow even when you're not running anything heavy? Open your task manager right now and check Windows might be quietly eating gigabytes of your RAM without you knowing. Watch this. With just one click, I brought my cached memory down from over a gigabyte to just a few megabytes. Today I will show you an official Microsoft tool that clears this trapped memory instantly, no sketchy third-party software needed. Let's get into it. So what's actually going on here? Windows 10 and 11 have a feature called the standby list. It caches files because Windows thinks you might need them again later. But sometimes Windows just won't let go of that memory even when you actually need it, like when you're gaming, browsing, or editing. That's when memory hits 100% and everything slows down. To fix this, we don't need any random cleaner app. We're going to use a tool Microsoft made themselves called RAMMap. So you'll just have to come to this website. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can simply search RAMMap on Google. Here, you can read the whole article for more info. To download RAMMap, click on Download RAMMap and a file will be downloaded to your PC. Once it's downloaded, click on the file icon and close the browser. Now we need to extract this file. Right-click on it, then click Extract All, and here click Extract. Once it's extracted, you'll see 3 applications inside. You just have to run RAMMap 64. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If it asks for permission, click Yes to allow it. No installation needed, it just runs directly. Now for the fun part. Open Task Manager, right-click your taskbar, select Task Manager, go to the Performance tab and click Memory. Look at the cached number. Mine's showing over 1.2 GB right now. Now open RAMMap. Click Empty at the top, then click Empty Standby List. Keep watching Task Manager and boom, all that memory gets freed instantly. Now it's available for the apps you're actually using. Whenever your PC feels slow, just run this tool. It's completely safe. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments, how much memory did you free up? 2 GB, 10 GB, more? If this trick helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips like this. See you in the next video.